In the coming chapters, you're going to learn ES6 or modern JavaScript or next generation JavaScript. ES6 comes with so many features which were designed to make your JavaScript coding experience a lot easier. So at the moment, not all features in ES6 are compatible with modern browsers. But the good news is that most of those features, they are compatible with updated versions of those browsers. But to make sure that all features you use in ES6 are compatible with the different browsers, you can use a transpiler like Babel. So a transpiler will just convert your next generation JavaScript code into old ES5 code to make sure it does work on all browsers. So in the coming chapters, we will use Google Chrome to run ES6 code because Chrome supports most of the features or the new features which come with ES6. So to get a quick flavor of the ES6 syntax and the different features it comes with, you can go to the Babel website. So on the left hand side, you will see ES6 code or next generation code. And on the right hand side, you can see that code being converted to the old ES5 syntax, which can be understood by all modern browsers. So to have a quick idea about the syntax of ES6 and the different features, what I'm going to do, I'm going to refresh the page. So once you visit the landing page, you will see so many examples on the left hand side here, all right, being transpiled to ES5 code. So we're going to go through these examples really quickly. You don't have to worry about the syntax now, right? So this is just to get an idea. And then in the coming chapters, we will cover ES6 features in great detail with a comprehensive covering. So let's refresh the page and have a quick look. So you can see here an example using an arrow function. So we'll see later how arrow functions work. This example uses destructuring to create many variables using an array. We are creating a constant here, and we are using the spread operator inside an array, and we will see later what that means. This is a good example of creating an object literal, and you can see the new syntax of creating a property. So you're not using function, colon, and so on. So here we've got a couple of strings being stored inside a couple of variables, and we are creating a string and using the variables inside using this syntax. And here we are declaring a variable using let. So that's a new keyword which is used instead of var, and we will see later the use of let and what it involves when it comes to the scope of variables and so on. So those were just a few examples which went really quickly, so you don't have to worry about them for now. So in the coming chapters, you will understand all those features in great detail.